Some say they are thankful just to be alive after their homes were ripped apart. Our Chad Hedrick is live in Mayfield for us. And Chad, I know you talked to the survivor today who did lose their home.
It's amazing, Bill, when you see the scope of the damage here and just how far and wide it goes. It's really just jaw-dropping is probably the best way to describe it. So many families and their lives just uprooted now. We talked to a Vietnam War veteran today who lives in this home behind me. He says he took shelter in one of just 2 rooms in his home that's still standing after the tornado.
For the last few days, many in Mayfield have turned to their faith to get them through this devastating time.
I prayed before it came, and I prayed after it came. I just that much. I have never seen something that scared me so bad. I thought I was gone.
David Turner's home is essentially gone. Just a skeleton of splintered wood and fallen bricks.
It seemed like it picked this house up, and it couldn't take it all. It couldn't take it all, so it ripped the roof, the ceilings, and everything out of it. I mean, it just peeled it off like a banana, and took it. I sit there hearing all this, tearing it go.
The tornado ripped the roof off of much of David's home. He says if he was standing here when that storm hit, he wouldn't be alive today. What saved his life was taking shelter in his hallway.
Only ceiling that's left in there is the hallway and the bathroom.
Like a lot of people in Mayfield, David is counting his blessings as he walks through what is left of his home and saving what he can, knowing there are people in his community who lost so much more.
Me, in my lifetime, I've never been through anything like that, you know, and it's just, I'm just lucky. I'm a very, very lucky person to be alive today, because I know a bunch of people didn't make it.
We've heard so many of these stories of survival in the few days that we've been here in Mayfield. Again, unfortunately, so many lives lost here, at least 20. That number expected to rise as search still goes on at the nearby candle factory. Coming up tonight at 6, we'll hear from a man who was inside that building when it collapsed during the tornado. Live in Mayfield, Chad Hedrick, WKYT.